Good day. This is Harshit, your tech host. Let's start the week with all the latest happenings from the tech world. Samsung is reportedly working on an advanced wearable health tracking device known as the Galaxy Ring. As per Korean media outlet, the ELEC, this intelligent smart ring is being developed in collaboration with domestic and international component manufacturers to ensure its success before potential mass production, which could be decided as early as August. The key features of the Galaxy Ring is its ability to gather detailed body and health data through built-in sensors, which can then be conveniently presented on a connected smartphone. Unlike Samsung's existing Galaxy Watch, this innovative smart ring is expected to provide even more precise body measurements. To enhance accuracy, the ring's fit can be adjusted according to the user's finger size, minimizing potential data inaccuracies caused by loose fittings. At the China Joy Show, tech students were in for a treat as Lenovo unveiled an impressive array of products, including the highly anticipated Pad Pro 12.7, a large screen tablet with cutting-edge features. Boasting a 12.7-inch display with a 144Hz high refresh rate and 2944 into 1840 pixels resolution, the Pad Pro 12.7 delivers an exceptional visual experience with support for HDR10, Dolby Vision P3, white color gamut, and Rainland Eye Protection certification. Designed with productivity in mind, the tablet's expansive screen allows users to multitask efficiently, making it ideal for students juggling online classes and note-taking. Powered by the Snapdragon 870 processor, which may be a few years old but is still more than capable. The Pad Pro 12.7 effortlessly handles demanding tasks and even high frame rate games like Honor of Kings and Peace Elite. Emerge Studios, an international technical services provider to the global video games industry, is pleased to announce the opening of its third studio in India in Silicon Valley, Bangalore. The studio will house all the services that Evertz India offers, including art services, localization, functionality, quality assurance, and game engineering. A testament to the company's rapid expansion, the new studio extends across 32,000 square feet and aims to provide a spacious, modern, and productive environment for Evertz employees. Evertz Uborn, India's leading gadget accessory and consumer electronics brand that addresses the needs of connected consumers and people on the go, recently participated in the Gifts World Expo, India's biggest B2B gift sourcing platform. The three-day expo was held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi from July 27 to July 29, 2023. Uborn is the official lanyard and carry bag sponsor of this event. The event received an overwhelming response from the exhibitors and visitors. Uborn, a leading provider of consumer electronics, displayed a wide range of innovative and cutting-edge products. Energy solutions company Sheru has announced the launch of Energy Box, a battery charging dock designed to charge detachable e2-wheeler batteries. The device is set to provide convenience to electric two-wheeler users in charging batteries safely at home, as well as in providing power backup for homes, with a number of EV players providing the option of removing the battery from the EV and charging it at home. The need for a device that provides safety and security in this process becomes necessary. And in the face of a recent sales slowdown, leading technology consulting firm Capgemini has found itself in the spotlight as investors closely monitor its performance. The company's shares took a hit as concerns grew about its ability to navigate the changing market dynamics. However, amid the challenging times, Capgemini has unveiled a bold and ambitious strategy to regain momentum and secure its position as a frontrunner in the tech industry. French IT consulting group Capgemini posted weaker quarterly growth due to a slowdown across its regions, marked by a softer than expected US market as clients cut costs. Its shares were down 5% at 10:50 GMT, the biggest decliner among French blue chip stocks. Apple has always been known for its strict App Store policies, which have garnered both praise and criticism from developers. In their latest move to enhance user privacy, Apple has announced that developers must justify their usage of specific Apple APIs before their apps can be listed on the App Store. This measure aims to limit apps from tracking user data without adequate reasons. To achieve this, Apple is introducing a new category of APIs known as required reason APIs. These APIs have the potential for misuse in tracking user data through fingerprinting techniques. As a result, developers will be required to explain the purpose of using these APIs in their app's privacy manifest files. Vedanta CEO Anil Agrawal confidently announced that the company is on track to produce its first made in India chips within the next 2.5 years. He also reaffirmed the progress in establishing a chip manufacturing unit by revealing that Vedanta has successfully secured a technology partner for the venture. Vedanta earlier signed a deal of $19.5 billion with chip manufacturing giant Foxconn, but the deal was taken off board after the latter chose to move out of this decision. This deal was signed under PM Modi's initiative of developing tech-related equipment and its counterpart in the scheme of Make in India, which is being looked after by IT department and its ministers. There was a massive lashback on Foxconn's decision as the thought put forward was that it's a loss for the tech giant to not carry on with the billion-dollar deal. Meta-owned instant messaging app WhatsApp has introduced a new video message feature similar to the voice note. As its name suggests, the feature will allow users to send and receive short video messages with a limit of up to 60 seconds in the chat. According to WhatsApp, the feature comes with end-to-end encryption to provide privacy to users. The feature is currently available to some select users and is expected to release for all soon. Announcing the new feature, this is what Meta chief Mark Zuckerberg wrote in a Facebook post. New for WhatsApp. We are adding the ability to instantly record and share a video message in your WhatsApp chats. It as easy as sending a quick voice message. WhatsApp said that the new feature allows users to record video messages. Users can also personalize it according to various occasions such as birthday wishes, sharing good news, or conveying any important information. The feature will be available for all users soon. Users who get the latest version of the instant messaging app on the Google Play Store or App Store can also access the feature. Adda52.com, India's leading online poker destination, announced the successful conclusion of the 14th edition of the Dalton Poker Tournament. The tournament, held in partnership with the prestigious Dalton Group, brought together an array of talented poker players from across the country for a thrilling competition of skill and strategy. The event featured an impressive prize pool of 6 crore 71 lakh 77,900 rupees with a unique participants count of 465 participants. The Dalton Poker Tournament spanned over 8 action-packed days, captivating poker enthusiasts and professionals alike. Gigabyte and HW Info exclusively collaborate for accurate information and new memory timings feature. Collaborative partnership enhances user experience, introduces exclusive BIOS information readout functionality. HW Info, known for its detailed system information and diagnostic capabilities, has partnered with Gigabyte to integrate their technologies and deliver more precise and comprehensive hardware information to users. By combining Gigabyte's expertise in hardware manufacturing and HW Info's advanced diagnostics, user can now access a wealth of information about their computer components with unparalleled accuracy. According to HCL Technologies annual reports, the CEO C. Vijayakumar earned rupees 28.4 crore in the fiscal year 2023, which marks a significant drop of nearly 80% compared to the rupees 130 crore he earned in the previous fiscal year. This decline in his remuneration is attributed to the absence of the long-term incentive component, which will be paid in the next fiscal year. The long-term incentive is paid at fixed intervals based on the achievement of predetermined milestones or parameters set by the board. The LTI related to performance for FY 2021-22 and FY 2022-23 will be paid during FY 2023-24, as mentioned in the annual report. It's important to note that Vijay Kumar received his entire remuneration from HCL America Incorporation, a step-down, wholly owned subsidiary of HCL Technologies in the US in the fiscal year 2022. He earned around $12.5 million under LTI. The rapid advancement of technology has significantly improved our lives. accomplishing tasks that were once considered impossible. GPS devices, which used to be expensive and bulky, have become more affordable and compact, as demonstrated by Apple's AirTag. This technology has enabled people to secure and track their valuable items, leading to intriguing stories emerging regularly. Recently, in South Carolina, law enforcement apprehended a thief responsible for multiple burglaries, all thanks to the location tracking capabilities of an Apple AirTag. Undoubtedly, the AirTag stands as one of Apple's most practical products. This small yet powerful device can be attached to various belongings such as keychains, wallets, motorcycles, or even a pet's collar, allowing users to track their location instantly and avoid losing cherished items. For thieves, the AirTag becomes a significant deterrent. Not long ago, we shared a story of a man recovering his stolen valuables worth $7,000 from a hotel room, all thanks to an AirTag. Now, the police have reported a similar success story where they caught a thief who stole a dummy safe from the sneaky beagle in July. Recently, major technology companies like Google, Microsoft, and Meta have announced their quarterly results, all of which show positive financial outcomes. These companies, along with many others in the technology sector, are back in profit and their stock prices have rebounded. This trend seems to indicate that the worst may be behind them. What particularly interesting is that during this earnings season, technology companies in the US are discussing the possibility of a soft economic landing rather than talking about a recession. The focus has shifted from concerns about economic downturns and inflation to discussions about artificial intelligence. Recent US lawmakers, representatives who led a committee focused on China, have urged the Biden administration to tighten export restrictions on artificial intelligence AI chips. This comes in response to industry lobbying efforts seeking to keep the rules unchanged. Last October, the US implemented a set of export control rules that restricted China's access to top AI chips produced by American companies like Nvidia, Advanced Micro Devices, and Intel. However, after the rules were enforced, Nvidia and Intel developed chips specifically for the Chinese market with reduced interconnect speeds. Despite the export controls, China's AI sector has reportedly continued to progress. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news.
ITvoice.भारत क्या है?
IT Voice हमारा हिंदी डोमेन है जिसमें IT Voice पूरा हिंदी में और .भारत पूरा हिंदी में आता है। अभी निक्सी जो है नेशनल इंटरनेट एक्सचेंज ऑफ इंडिया, उसने मल्टीलिंगुअल डोमेन लॉन्च कर दिया। मल्टीलिंगुअल में बहुभाषी बोलते हैं, तो हिंदी में, गुजराती में, मराठी में, बंगाली में, सारे लैंग्वेजेस में अपना टाइप कर सकते हैं, डोमेन खरीद सकते हैं। तो .भारत आप गुजराती में लिखें या .भारत बंगाली में लिखें, आपको वो सारे डोमेन्स मिल जाएंगे अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस के अंदर। तो हमने भी ले लिया ITvoice.भारत साइट। ITvoice.in आप दोनों लैंग्वेज में खोल सकते हैं। ITvoice.in भी खोलें, ITvoice.भारत भी खोलें।